Yo, what's going on, guys? So if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're on Windows 7 and your Wi-Fi is just not working. Like your USB Wi-Fi adapter is already plugged in, you can see it physically connected, but Windows still says no connections are available and there's that red cross on the network icon. And yeah, I know Windows 7 is old, not many people use it now, but a lot of times people buy a used PC or they get an old computer from someone, maybe cheap or second hand, and the first thing they try to do is connect to the internet, and then boom, this problem shows up. In my case, Ethernet works totally fine. Internet is there. But Wi-Fi doesn't show anything at all, and the reason for this is actually simple. Windows 7 does not automatically install drivers for USB Wi-Fi adapters. It's not like Windows 10 or Windows 11, so even though the adapter is connected, Windows doesn't know what to do with it. That's why you see no connections are available. It's not your router, it's not your internet, and it's not because the adapter is broken. It's just missing the driver. Now, before anything, you need some kind of internet. If you have an Ethernet cable, just plug it in. If you don't, you can use another computer or even your phone. You can connect your phone with a USB cable and turn on USB tethering, or download the driver on your phone and copy it to a pen drive. Any one of these is fine. Once you have internet, open Device Manager, and here you'll see something important. Under Other Devices, there will be a yellow warning sign, and the name will say something like 802.11 at WLAN adapter. This part is really important, so don't skip this. Some adapter they all to 1 ads, some are 802.11 ads. If you download the wrong driver, it will not work. I tried installing random drivers before, even TP-Link drivers, and nothing worked, so you have to match the name exactly. Now open Google and type the exact name you see, like 802.11 FUSB Y driver for Windows 7. When you open the website, you'll see a lot of drivers listed there. Don't just download anything. If you see OEM drivers like ASUS and your adapter is not ASUS, don't use that. Those usually don't work. Just pick the generic one or the option that says something like others. In my case, it says AC200 wireless USB adapter driver. That's fine because my adapter is TP-Link AC600, so it matches the AC type. After the download finishes, just open the setup file, click next and wait. That's it. No reset, no extra settings, nothing complicated. Once the installation is done, you'll instantly see all the Wi-Fi networks pop up. Wi-Fi starts working normally. I went back into Device Manager and the yellow warning thing disappeared. So yeah, the driver is installed. So yeah, that's the fix. This happens because Windows 7 doesn't auto-install Wi-Fi drivers, especially on older or used computers. It's not a router issue and it's not your internet problem. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.